First things first, I appreciate your support. I was on an LG washer. Same things. Same issues. Guys, proper installation is key. This client has been using this machine for several years. Same spot. Poor installation. Check. Number one, the pipe was poorly installed. This side should be hooked to the tap, and the other side should fit to the washing machine solenoid valve here. Okay, leave alone installation first. The machine was giving an IE error code, meaning insufficient water. Yes, there was water. Moderate pressure, but it was enough to do a wash. But this small sieve here that I've been talking about, this sieve, it was clogged. So it was distracting the way water was getting into the machine. You know what happens? The machine struggles to pull water. The more it struggles, the more the machine is affected. Overheating can affect the control panel. So guys, be careful. Those are basics. Now, there's something I need to show you. So after cleaning the filter, water was coming in, but the machine was taking too long. When you select a program, it takes 3 to 4 minutes and the machine should start washing. When there's enough water, the filters are clean, the sieve is clean. If it goes more than 5 minutes, the pulsator is not moving, the drum is not rotating, something is wrong. The machine should be washed within 5 minutes. Washing should start within 5 minutes. So let's have a look at this. After cleaning the filter, plugging the pipe back, I selected a quick wash just for a test run. Wait and see. Water was coming in, yes, but something else that I've been talking about, siphoning. The machine is filling water. At the same time, the machine is draining water. And this is something that you won't realize. And the way these top loads are made, there are levels. It's not like a front loader. We have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8. You see, after cleaning the filter, water is coming in, yes. But water was going out at the same time because of something we call siphoning. The machine can't hold water. Water comes in and goes out. The pipe should be raised. You know, the pipe is behind the machine, so it's something you can't realize. When you're installing a washing machine, read the manual or get the right person to do the job. The pipe should be raised to this level. I've said this several times. You can have enough water, but if the pipe is not well installed, the machine will not wash. So imagine this client was spending a lot on water bill. Avoidable. So imagine same spot for the last 4-5 years. Waste of water. And I repeat, this is avoidable. Proper installation is key. So this is what was happening, guys. A blocked filter distracts the way water comes in. Pipe lying on the ground, that was waste of water. So there's not the little water coming in was being wasted. A double loss. She was lucky because the valves were okay. So what I did, it was simple. I only cleaned the filters and raised the pipe, and the machine started working perfectly. So don't ignore the basics. These small things will ruin your washing machine. These small things will ruin your laundry day. Remember to like, subscribe and share. I love you guys and I'm out.